What's up, guys? Shane's back in the video, and I'm doing a gameplay on Animal Jam. I've played this game since I played this game when I was 10, and my friends got me back into it. My friend Charlotte, I'll leave her channel link down in the description. Go subscribe to her, show us some love. Um, but yeah, let's get into this gameplay. So as you can tell, like it says right here, I'm a new jammer because I just made my account back. So like, this is my den. It's nothing basic. It's something basic. It's nothing real big. This is Alpha's Wolf right here. This is Alpha's Wolf. He's my little character right here. So yeah, guys. Into this gameplay. So if I want to make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Yeah, just make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm sorry, guys. I just woke up. I'm out of school today, and I said, what would be better than not make a YouTube video? So I'm making a YouTube video. So I can't go this way. So let's get some gems. Right now, I have like 418 gems. So let's go get some gems. Let's go to the map. Let's find. Let's see. Arendelle. Possible. Okay. Oh, if you see this person right here, follow her and show her some love. I'll leave her link down in the description below. So this is the game den right here. See, they have games right here that you can play and get some gems. That's why I'm out here. I need to get some gems. Oh, who's texting me? That's notification. But yeah, guys, so we have the gems right here, like the games, and they'll give you gems. So let's click on this game. What is it called? What was that called? I swear to God, it's Distos. Oh, that's member benefits. Never mind. I think it's for members. But we need to get some gems for the den. I'm trying to make it better, But yeah.
DNA.
Okay, guys, so right here we can add friends. Hallelujah, got another 20 in the brain. You're about 20 minutes late. She's a good girl, sky blue turquoise, falling for a bad boy. This is a new update here, guys, because last time when I played this game, they only allowed up to like 100 friends. I don't know how many friends my friend Charlotte said. It's up 200 now. Okay, it's up 200. It used to be like 100. Okay, so it's 200 now. Okay. I don't know where she got 1,000 from. I'm not sure. Thanks to different request or gems. Okay, this is a friend request. Kiss him, legs him. He's laying his love letter shy. He's a good girl, sky blue turquoise, smiling for a bad Okay, guys, so we're gonna go back to my den. I think I already have some gems saved up, so we're gonna go edit the den. Okay, guys, so I had the mailbox right here. This is the mailbox. This is shovel. You know, it's just the couch, it's the golf right here. I put that flag to make it a golf. It's the plant. This is Wolfie's bed. This is some food for him, a table. Yeah, quit him. He won't let her get away. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go shop for the den. Comment down below what you think I should get for my den, and I'll answer the comments. Let's get a small window. Let's get the thing right here. We found one. Okay. It's gonna be something else. She's so good. She's so good. She's so good. Let's get another table. Let's get like a patio table and some chairs. I bet you this game plays over. I'm gonna be out of money. I swear to God, I'm gonna be out of money. So let's get out of here. Let's go outside real quick. I'm gonna add this to the patio. Okay, this should be like a good place right here. So let's go to this. Put this table. She's so up and I'll be walking up across the parking lot. Okay, guys, so we got the table out here. We have a football actually. Let's put the football on the table. The same notes, go to the same stations, slow down to the same curves. Damn. Yeah, guys. That should be good right here, guys. Let's go. I gotta go, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, leave a comment, like, and yeah, guys. Peace. For a while, I guess they were keeping it low key. Now it's like it's county lines closing in on me. I see them everywhere together. It's hitting a little too close.